We're modifying 2014 Mustang 3.7 liter. We have some American muscle grills, which were polished on the front edge. Aluminum polished front edge. Bottoms were powder coated. Tops were powder coated. I took it to the sandblasting. Sandblasted everything off. Went back into powder coating for $150 for this one and the bottom one. And here it is. Turned out really nice. They were doing semi-gloss that day, last day before Christmas. So to get to this point though, this little pony had to be cut out. So all the waffle got cut out with one of these. And I mean, that was all in here, right? Right in here. That was full. You can see the cuts. So that pony got cut out. And then the bottom grill part also got cut out. I used to live there. Like so. And now the point of that was to have a smooth opening. Then it got sanded with a smooth UpGRADE with one of these. All right, top and bottom, and the grills did come originally with some mounting hardware. So one top, another top, then pre-drilled screws for the bottom bracket right there. So that grill's going to go back in right now, and we'll put it back in the bumper. We'll go from there. Okay, so this is how it's going to live in here. They did have some nice skookum brackets on there. This fastener went over the edge of the plastic. Metal screw through there with a washer. There's a nylon locking nut, stainless steel hardware on there. Flip it over. Yeah, she fits pretty nice. It tucked in on the top. The bottom. Good spacing there. Alright, so that's done. Here we have the bottom grill. We cut out the plastic on this one like so. Kind of looks like jaws. Rawr. American Muscle Car put a mounting provision there. Then they did that, but we cut it out. But they didn't put one on this side. So we put in heavy duty zap straps. Can't really tell. Like so. And it's all beautiful and even. It's all looking pretty nice. Love it. Okay, the grills are in. All snapped in from behind. This one goes from the behind and this one goes from the front, the bottom one. I didn't feel good with that more weight of the billet grill, so we just secured it on this top bar here with the zap strap from the inside. Had to cut out for this butterfly fastener here. And the rest of them snapped in good, so now on to the skirts on the bottom. we're gonna add on some skirting on the bottom. Here's the infamous skirt. So they made a provision once this is going on with a clearance here for you to put the screws in here. But that's going to be tricky, I think. So I'm going to assemble this whole thing. Probably better, easier. Once the bumper is on the car, then screw everything together with this on the bottom, with the screws through this and all the other. This piece and this piece and this piece will get screwed through the bottom of this, through to the mounting holes on that. Bom, bom, bom. So here you have the ground effect skirt. This is what I meant. They did that. There's no surface here to screw to. See, look, yeah, see? So we have to get creative with longer screws, which worked fantastic. And then, of course, half of these things are broken off. So I had to get creative there and there. Kind of extend the grip with the larger washer. Now it's buttoned up. So yeah, it's not for the faint of heart putting all these fasteners back through the skid pan, through here into the fasteners that are on the lip of the vehicle. Those clips that have a sheet metal thread in there. And this ended up breaking because I reefed on it. But for it to line up, we had to pre-drill holes here because these were off. Yeah, so not an easy thing to do to put the skirt on properly. But it's on there. And it's even on the outside. So it's happy. But definitely, yep, you got to put it on the car, assemble it on the outside of the car, and give her. Yeah, fun times. Then we'll do a little video on how the grill looks from the outside. It looks wicked. Just wicked. And here's the finished product. Looking pretty hot. Hopefully you can do the same thing to your 2014 Mustang. Skirting turned out okay too. It's already broken on there, but yeah, speed bumps, right? But it looks alright. Yeah, looking pretty mean. Cheers, thanks for watching. Okay, so see, that's the powder coating left over on the top edge. And I was able to get in there. That was just taking so long. And that's all etched properly. So